very enriching session with the scientists from SIT, from SFA. And finally, which was actually the big chunk, the technical part, focusing on the extrusion. So we had the chance to review our theory first, with the contribution of Clextral team. And we managed to produce some feed, real conditions. And I think people really liked it. It was super good to take the time for once.
So the first impressions after finalizing the first extrusion course is really good. So this first course was a collaboration between SFA and Clextral, together with the help of AquaPolis and SIT. And we had a diversity range of participants, both from academia and industry locally from Singapore, but also from the overseas, from Thailand and from Philippines. So it was really nice to see all these participants, to interact with each other, to sharing experiences, and basically during the extrusion process itself. So they were integrated to the extrusion, so they had the possibility to participate during the extrusion process, and the feedback so far was very, very positive.
I'll start with my colleague, who is a technical profile, so he really liked the theory on extrusion as well as the practice, and seems to be always easy, but when it's time to produce and get things done, it always takes energy. So he will really bring a lot of things at home, and we will manage to share it with our technical teams, plant manager, production people, maintenance people. So that was a very nice takeaway. For me, more personally, I would say that I like the technical part too. However, I really enjoyed the ability to interact with the different stakeholders of this ecosystem, scientists, people that are thinking on how to develop the industry across the region, what would be the market trend, the market directions. So very, very happy with that, because that's not so often to have the ability to again interact, discuss, communicate, exchange on this very important part of the business, which is the aqua and the aqua world and the aqua industry.
So moving forward into the future, in terms of the collaboration of SFA and Clextral, I think we have a lot of work to do, and this was also one of the learnings from the extrusion course itself, and from the feedback and from the interest of the participants. What we see is that there is a lot of curiosity around the extrusion process itself. So it's still a new technology in Asia. It is not much used. A lot of our participants, they work also in the space of novel ingredients, so there was a lot of curiosity how to bring these ingredients into the extrusion process itself. And the extrusion itself, it represents much more flexibility in terms of the process compared with the pelletization. So we do see the need to continue this kind of courses, and probably even going a little bit deeper, and thinking also on this direction on how to bring the sustainability into the picture, and especially on the circular economy ingredients and also novel ingredients, and how to probably dynamize a course, and that can bring also these aspects into the teaching models.
We had very interesting topics. 3 days was just like the right time to cover all those topics.
I think it was a really good training. It was very educative for the participants. I'm happy with the final result. We do see that there is a need to continue this collaboration with Clextral.